Alright guys, so here's some units behind this little pasta restaurant. We have these 3 huge Heils, looks like. Wow, these are pretty nice. I don't think I'm gonna... Oh, the data's right here on this one. Let's see, 1992 or 1998, 4-ton. Sounds like they have recips. And then here is this looking, I think it's one of these ICP things. I want to get the data on this because this, oh wow, Copeland recip looks like, no, it's got an older Copeland serial. I don't know what year this is from. Oh, 1997. Oh, that's above a 5-ton. I don't know what tonnage that is. 120,000 BTUs. Please help me decode that, someone in the comments. They have no logos, but I believe they're ICP or Heils. And I'm going to check for more. Okay. Nope, there's not more. Alright. So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.